Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. It's all about HVAC work, split ACs, chillers, package units. Everything is included in this HVAC system. So today our topic is about the error code of general floor standing unit E2 error. We found this error code coming E2 in this unit. What is the E2 error code? E2 error code is an auto stop protection error indicating an issue detected by a sensor. This is the error came in the unit because of the sensor of the unit. When we search this issue in the unit, we open complete unit and then we found there the sensor cable is cut. And how it cut, the rat came inside the unit from somewhere from the drain side and cut the sensor wire of the unit. That's why the error code coming E2. When we fix this error code E2, the unit is running normally after fixing the cable of the sensor. So it's not a big deal to check your units by yourself. If any issue came in your unit, you first check your wiring. Maybe your wiring have issues, maybe cut some cable, maybe because of short circuits. And this is amazingly cut by a rat because I found too much dirt inside the unit, which is bring by the rat. Fixing that issue, I closed the unit properly, not to welcome back again the rat. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe my channel for more notification. Press the bell icon.